everyone! Welcome to Kids Fun Learning. Today we are going to do the 10 times table. You will need a pen and a paper. We will start by writing the date. When you have finish writing the date, you will now have to write 1 times 10 to 12 times 10. The 10 times table ends in 0. Write down 1 to 12 again and put 0 next to it. We will now add 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So that's it! The 10 times table ends in 0. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe. Bye!